as I dream at night, when I wake up in the morning, as I walk in the sun and in the rain, through forests of trees and along streets of light. I hear a sound. I feel a calling. I decipher the chaos. I feel on fire. I see, read, and imagine poetry in every leaf, in every smile, in every look, in every raindrop. The energy of the world gets into my veins. The inspiration of the universe makes me feel like the king of the cosmos. Everybody I know, and everything about them, and all that I know, has my imagination and thoughts jetting off faster and higher than an airplane. And just as I am right now, everything twists around me and I feel like I'm in the eye of a storm, seeing and watching things that appear fractured from the outside looking in, come together and fuse forever, like a blanket of frost. I will never forget the moment I heard the sound. I will never forget who inspired my voice. I will never forget the shockwave that I felt, like a lightning bolt hitting the ground. I will never forget who I was and who I knew I would always be, as a matter of destiny, not choice. I will never forget what began, what came first, what it was like to instantly feel like all this time I've been travelling through the heavens, but I just hadn't realised it. I'll never forget the moment I became the poet. The journey has been bumpy. The road hasn't always been smooth. The sky above and my vision has on occasion been cloudy. However, I've not stood still. I've kept on the move. I've written about love. I've written about loss. I even wrote a poem once about a lost glove. And every day I write with a pen and paper, or I create something with my soul on the canvas of my mind, with all my heart. And I am consumed, happy, free of fear, alive with life and inspiration, like I've emerged from the waves of a sea, and I'm now walking in the soft sand of the wash. When you realise that you have a gift, when people tell you that you should pursue your talent and see where it takes you, when you know that you have something to offer someone who needs what you have inside you, you can feel your own heart racing in your chest and your pulse beating in your wrist. When you see truth, hope, purpose, potential and goodness emanating like an aura from certain people that you are fortunate to meet, the things and the people who give us so much are who we too want to do all for and give back to. The poet of the sphere is who I will always be, and the first book of my poetry is only the first chapter, the first volume, the first teaser of the whole story that is me. Now I'm stepping into the future, with memories and experiences from my life, hoping to share who I will always be in the light of the day, as well as in the twilight of the dark. And you can be sure that when you read or hear the voice of the poet of the sphere, you will forever know, and you will forever recognise the unmistakable sound of Mark.